fellas. 5 minutes into the hunt. Yeah, 5 minutes into the hunt, and fucking down I went. Stood on a round stick. It just rolled straight out from under my foot. Oh, the pain, I tell you. Sweat's come in. I thought I might have busted something. I don't think I have. I can wiggle my foot around now. I thought I might have busted something here. But I think I'm alright. But I don't know if I can continue. I'm only 5 minutes into this hunt. Down I went, banged the rifle pretty bad on the ground too, so it could be slightly, scope could be out. I don't know, we'll find out if I keep going. If I continue. Wow, it hurt. Oh, sweat rolling out of my face, rolling around, total agony. I'm only 200 metres, I'm only 100 metres from the car, downhill to the car, so could be worse. I've got a feeling it's going to be alright. Oh, I'll be sore ankle. Yeah, rolled the ankle, basically. Stood on a stick about, like a toilet roll cardboard size, and there was nothing else on it, and it just completely rolled. There's no out bits, it's just a piece of round, about a foot long and round, and it just took my foot right out. Down I went, I landed on top of my own ankle. So I'm laying here, looking up at the clouds going past. There's something in the bush here too. So that's how it's going to end one day. I've got to take a big tumble down and hurt myself as I am in the bush. Just lying down having a relax, I'll be back. Okay, let's see what the damage is. Oh. That was the thing I stood on. And it just took my foot right out from under me. I landed on top of it, which hurt most, I suppose. And no warning, no saving. Couldn't save myself. Oh well, nothing's broken. I better get on with it. Guys. Sitting in the bush having a rest. Okay. Yeah. Some of you guys at home, you'll have a bit of a laugh. Some people will worry and say, you shouldn't be in the bush, you old bastard. No, anyway, it's all right. I'll just get up and put the weight on it and see what happens. I think I can walk it off. Don't have to go far. Life and times. I just heard a car toot on the road, and I'm just wondering, is he tooting to get deer off the road? Maybe. Maybe not. Optimistic. Okay, I'll see if I can put another couple of hours in. See ya guys. Have a good one. Keep at it, don't give up. See ya.